Is there anything like this for a sore neck? Well, I got one of these a while ago. Get it nice and deep under your shoulders. Then let your head hang over it. And it just kind of stretches out your neck. There's a good chance your neck hurts from always looking down on your phone or looking at a computer at work or something. And this kind of helps to put the posture back where it needs to be. So I would suggest looking into one of these. It'd probably help. They're roughly 20 bucks. Put a link below if you want to get them. But these are really cool. I like these. And yeah, check it out.